Hey y'all, welcome back to Side One Shed. Yeah, unfortunately, still working on the transmission. Anyway, I wanted to show you something that I found out with the Valvebody here. And again, I'm hoping I'm right, but my transmission in 92 A518 46RH. All right, 727 overdrive, non-lockup. So it's only a 2-pin connector. Okay. I don't know if y'all, where is it? If you can see in there, it's only a 2-pin connector. This is the old solenoid. This one actually works. But anyway, yeah, the 3-pin connectors, one is for the clutch on the lockup torque converter, and there's another solenoid set. The other thing is the valve body. Okay, on the valve body, on the lower valve body, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valves. Supposedly 5 valves. Okay, this is the overdrive accumulator right here. And if you look right in here, these 2 valves, okay, this one here is for your torque converter timing clutch. Let's see. Timing valve and spring. Converter clutch, timing valve, and spring right here. This one is your converter clutch, spring, and valve. Okay? Now here's the thing on mine. Right in here, can we see? If you look right there, there's a little clip that holds that spring and valve in, okay? And there's a spring right at the end of this, and that's where the spring and valve goes. In here, there's supposed to be a valve, a spring, and a cap. There is nothing in this hole. Absolutely wide open. Nothing in there at all. And this does not have a spring. Now, since I don't have a lockup converter, I am thinking that they're not necessary. It's just that I don't know about a valve body having a wide open hole here with nothing in it to plug it. I don't know. I don't know. But that is what I have found out. There's nothing in there. And this is right out of the transmission. I didn't lose anything. It wasn't there before. It's just, it's never been there. There's nothing in here at all. It's an open hole. If anybody's smarter than me, which a lot of you are, yeah, let me know if that's normal, if that's the way it's supposed to be, or if I'm need to get another valve body or something here. I don't know. Unfortunately, every video and everything I look up, they're all lockup transmissions, so they all have that valve and everything in it. And the this is an RH, the RE. This part of the valve body is pretty much the same. There ain't no difference there. The upper valve body is a bit different in design, and I'll show that to you in another video. But anyway, thank you all for hanging with me, and just kind of letting you know some of the weird crap that I'm finding out here. And throwing me for a loop because I don't have the knowledge to know if this is right or wrong. Anyway, y'all have a good day. We'll catch you next time.